Hey guys, it's River Dave with Team RDP. Welcome to 6531 Calle De Los Arroyos. This house checks all the boxes. You have the monster garage. You have a huge view. You have the oversized courtyard here with another oversized courtyard out in front of that. You have the great neighborhood. We're up here in the foothills. I mean, it is first class throughout, finished pool. They're just finishing the landscaping and this thing is turnkey and at a price, comparatively speaking, that won't break the bank. Let's go check this thing out and I'll show you some of the features. All right guys, we're inside. Beautiful double 8-foot iron doors as you come in. Obviously tall ceilings, huge fans, first class granite, but the most important thing, one of the things I love about AZEK's floor plans and their construction, this is the most functional floor plan you're gonna find. It is 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, but one of them is actually a separate casita out by the pool. Let's go take a look. Okay guys, welcome to the backyard. Beautiful pool, margarita table, Baja shelf, jacuzzi, very, very cool. Finished out backyard, privacy walls. Best part, wood burning fireplace over here, and right behind you is that casita I was talking to you about. All right guys, let's go check out the casita. That's the bathroom entrance. This is the bedroom entrance. This is the private bathroom for the pool and the casita. Let's go check it out. So Michael's been showing you around the house and that floor plan is amazing, but this master takes the cake. Look at how sizable it is. Wonderful sliding glass door right to the outside. Garage door access right there. Wood burning fireplace so you could sit out and just go right to bed. But the bathroom, guys, let's go in and take a look. This is gonna make a lot of wives very happy. Welcome to the garage. This is the RV side. It is 24 by 76. It is air conditioned. Everything about this place is first class, right down to the drywall. It's 5/8 thick. No disappointments. It is a turnkey house. Give us a call, 928-706-4200 for Stacy or 928-225-3375 for Team RDP. Thanks guys.